In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a campaign in Hootsuite. If you're looking to streamline your social media marketing and make sure you're reaching the right audience effectively, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and get your Hootsuite campaign up and running smoothly. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. Once you're there, type Hootsuite into the search bar and hit Enter. This will lead you to the Hootsuite homepage. If you already have it bookmarked, go ahead and click on your bookmark to save yourself some time. Next, you'll need to log into your Hootsuite account. Enter your credentials. If you've saved your password on the browser, logging in should be a breeze. Otherwise, make sure you have your login details handy to avoid any holdups. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hootsuite dashboard. Here, the key step is to look for the Create button. Click on it, and you'll see an option to point to Ad. At this stage, you'll have to decide on which platform you want to run your ad campaign. Common options include X, which is formerly known as Twitter, or LinkedIn. Choose the platform that aligns best with your marketing goals. Now that you've chosen your platform, it's time to select your ad account and come up with a campaign name. Naming your campaign is crucial for tracking its performance later on, so pick something descriptive. Following this, you'll need to decide on a campaign objective. Common objectives include engagement, where you want better interaction with your content, or website traffic, aiming to drive more visits to your website. Moving forward, you'll specify your target audience. Think about who you're trying to reach and tailor your settings based on location, interests, and other attributes that are relevant to your demographic. Setting a daily budget for your campaign is the next step and can vary depending on your resources. Remember to also establish the campaign's start and end dates to ensure it aligns with your marketing timeline. Now comes the exciting part, designing your ad creative. This involves adding engaging headlines, visuals, and URLs to draw people towards your message. Make sure to preview your ad on the different platforms to verify it's displayed correctly and is compelling across all of them. Once your ad is ready to go, the final step is to select Publish Campaign. This action sends your ad for approval by the social media platforms such as LinkedIn, which typically approves campaigns within 24 hours. And with that, you've created a campaign in Hootsuite. Thanks for following along. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore more of Hootsuite's features to enhance your marketing strategies. Happy campaigning!